doing something super exciting. Me and my family are going to Animal Kingdom, and it's just the pass holders today because they're trying to keep the numbers down and do social distancing. So today I'm going to be taking you guys with me to see like what it's like during the social distancing at Disney. Let's go! Okay, so now I'm just going to show you guys what I'm bringing, not into depth or anything, but just like showing you kind of. So I have my lanyard with all my pins on it, and I can show you guys those later, maybe in a different video. But then I have my pass holder card, just so that gets me a discount on merchandise that you can buy and some snacks. So that's really helpful. If you're like a new pass holder, make sure you don't forget that. And then I also have my Disney bag, and that just has my hand sanitizer, my glasses, wipes, snacks, and chargers and things like that, just to carry around with me.
Take exit 65 for sports and
Never.
Okay, so we are at Animal Kingdom now. We have our masks on, and we are heading inside the park right now. They don't have any tram, just so that we can like stay apart, but they have a closer entrance, so that's going to be really helpful. So I'll see you guys when we're inside. Okay, so this is what Animal Kingdom's entrance looks like now, because they did have construction going on. So this is how it looks. It's so empty at the entrance. So we looked at the times for like the rides and everything, and Everest is 5 minutes. Flight of Passage for Avatar is only 15 minutes. It's usually like 4 hours. And then Navi River is only 20 minutes, and then everything else is only 5 minutes, and that is crazy. It cuts down the time like basically to nothing.
Okay.
Okay, this is their selection of masks from Disney. Oh, they're really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna get this Pixar mask and then the Forky mask. Oh, it's Forky mask. And I'll show you guys what they look like when I get them on. Okay, I got my mask on. This is the Pixar mask, and it has like all the like iconic Pixar movies on here. It's really cute too. And now we are heading to Asia to get some fried rice from the Yak and Yeti restaurant. Then maybe after that we might go on Everest for the 22nd time. We have arrived at Asia. We've never seen that before. See, we have never even seen this before. That's so cool. Okay, we have arrived at the lunch place, I guess, the Yak and Yeti restaurant. This is what I got from the restaurant food, Yak and Yeti. I got orange chicken with white rice, and if you ask for a free, just ask for a cup of water and they give it to you for free. So that's a good tip if you don't know that. But this is what I got. Okay, so we just finished eating our lunch. It was very good. And now we're gonna head over to Everest, right, Mommy?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go to Everest now, and this will be our 22nd time on the ride. But it's okay, because that ride is extremely fun, and I'll definitely go on it. Way to Everest, and there's like these, where the monkeys are. Of course, we can't see them right now. I'm recording.
There's a sign to Everest. Here's where we ate.
And this is Everest from far away. That's where we'll be in a couple minutes.
I'm like way over. This is so cool. We've never done this before.
Okay, so we just got off of Everest, and that felt so much worse than usual because we haven't been on it in months. So it was crazy. And our pictures are going to be automatically linked to our magic bands. So maybe I'll be able to insert the pictures. Maybe not, I'm not sure. But now we're on our way to Africa to get some Dole Whip and then go to Pandora, right? Crazy! Okay, we are at the Dole Whip spot. We're about to get some Dole Whip.
They just got a warm brownie sundae. They don't have.
Got my Dole Whip. It's already melted, but we're gonna enjoy. This is where we are sitting. It's a very shaded, and not many people come here. So if you ever get Dole Whip, it's a great place. Yes, it's in Africa, and it's a great place to go. Okay, so we just finished having our Dole Whip, and now we're actually gonna go back to Everest and do it again because the wait's still only 5 minutes, and then we're gonna go to Flight of Passage and then do that twice, and then we're gonna leave. So edit of the last thing. Okay, we're gonna do Flight of Passage and Navi River. We are almost there. Second time. This will be our 23rd time on this ride. Okay. We're about to get on Everest for the second time today. Then we're gonna head to Pandora. Okay, so we just got off of Everest. We ended up going on there 3 times again. And we found out if you...
3 in total to 25.
Yes, we've been on a ride now 25 times. So now, and we found out that if you hug during the going down the roller coaster part, there's no G-force, you can't feel it at all. So me and Jada did that every time. And so now we are on our way to Africa so that we can go to Pandora and ride Navi River and Flight of Passage. We're gonna do those each twice because the wait is only 5 to 10 minutes for each, which is awesome. Okay, so we just stopped at Joffrey's and I got an iced chai latte. And Jada, what'd you get?
I got a frozen chai latte.
Yes. So we're gonna enjoy these, and now we're heading to Africa. Okay, so this is the back way to Pandora. Not many people come through here, but all you have to do is right next to the Dole Whip place where you see the Lion King show. Just keep walking straight, and it cuts off about 10 to 20 minutes of you walking all the way to Pandora. I'll show you the way. The Lion King show. It's right in this heart of Africa, right next to the and then you just walk straight, and right back there is Pandora. Okay, this is the pathway. You'll keep walking, and then there's bathrooms right behind me. Then as you walk, you'll notice that your surroundings, the setting, kind of starts to change. You get a little bit more, not tropical, but more mystical, and you'll start hearing cricket noises, because that's Pandora. You just cross this bridge right here, which I'm going to, and literally right next door. But look, only a couple people know this way, and it's so much faster. Here's the bridge, and as you see, it's more Pandora setting already, but it still has to kind of fade out of Africa. Oh. Okay, so we're basically in Pandora now. The sounds are here. It's just like a bridge, so there's nothing really to show you guys. But yeah, this is a so much faster and easier way to Pandora. Now entered Pandora. I'll see you when we're in line for Flight of Passage. That's in the sky. Also, need to point this out to you guys. So realistic. It's completely transforming. Also, Flight of Passage standby time is 5 minutes. Right? I don't think it goes any lower than 5 minutes. Start beginning inside part. of the line, but there's no one. Go ahead. Go ahead. This is the bioluminescent part of the. This is just the line. The ride is so cute. The sounds just make so much of a difference. This is what the other part of the line is. This is so cool. We've been on this ride before, but never through like the standard time, only fast pass. So cool.
We match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away.
Okay, so we just got off of Flight of Passage, and it's the best ride like ever. You just feel like alive and like you're actually flying, and you smell it. The breeze is just like real. You get splashed with water, and it's just the best ride. So we're gonna go on it again. And so yes, we're gonna go on the ride again. The wait is less than 5 minutes, and it's just so fun. I would definitely, if you can ever come to Animal Kingdom, this is the ride you have to do. My glasses are fogging up, but we're gonna go again. Round 2. We're going.
Blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden.
Okay, so we just got off of Flight of Passage for the second time, and it was, again, so amazing. It's just the best ride. Definitely, I think maybe out of all of Disney. And so now we're gonna head into the gift shop because we did bring some spending money, just a little bit, and we're gonna see what they have because this is also a really good like gift shop. This is the gift shop. This right here is you can make an avatar like literally of yourself, and we've done that before. I'll show you guys in my Disney haul video. So this gift shop is like no other gift shop at Disney. It's completely themed Pandora and nothing else. Things that you can really only get here. Just so cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna get this keychain. It has like a little thing from Pandora. I can't remember what it's called. But yes, it's only $10 with the pass. Okay, so we checked out and now we're heading to Na'vi River, and then I think we're gonna do that twice too, because the wait is only like 5 minutes. Okay, so now we are on like in the line kind of place for Na'vi River, and again there's no one in line this time, like literally no one. So I'll be able to show you guys a little bit inside of the ride as well, because it's just like kind of like Small World. It's not exaggerated, literally nobody here. So we just got off of Navi River and we're literally walking to the entrance again to do it a second time. Not gonna record in there again just because it's the same exact ride. Okay, so we just ordered our food and it'll be ready at around 6 because the park closes at 6. So we're gonna hop on Flight of Passage again because it's just such like a fun ride to do. So we're gonna go on the ride, pick up our food, and then we're gonna head out. We gotta hurry so we can make everything. Look at go! Got on a Flight of Passage for the 3rd time, and now we're gonna go pick up our food and then head out. Okay, that's all for today, guys. We had such a fun time at Animal Kingdom, and don't forget to like and subscribe.